Okay, guys, so for 7th grade social studies today, we're looking at lesson 9.7, which is a review day, but I've kind of changed it up a little bit for everybody. Instead of making the normal study guide assignments that we've done in the past, I have made some changes to this. Hopefully, you like it. Here's the scoop. You are going to have today to create a review game. I'm going to give you a website to use, and then you'll need to show me the link. After that, you will have a playing day tomorrow. So today we're making and submitting a game. Tomorrow, I'm going to share the links with everybody for the games that we make, and you're going to have the chance to play your classmates' games. Kind of cool, right? So here's what you have to do. Step 2, I ask you to take a look at the key terms and ideas from the chapter. If we take a look at the document here, we see that I haven't given you all the tools you need to create a good game. For your review game today, I want you to have 10 review questions in it, at least. You can choose to do more if you'd like. But I want you to do 5 terms at least and answer 5 questions at least. Okay? The materials that have all of the answers in, aka the readings from our chapters, are Chapter 19, Section 1 and 2 in your Holt book, as well as the Bank on It packet. And I've included links to both of those in this document here. The first step that I would recommend is making a copy of the study guide tips and choosing 5 terms to define and choosing 5 themes to define. So make a copy and kind of fill in the blanks here. Make sure you got your definitions. Don't use Google. Please, 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 please. Use your book and use your readings instead, because those are the exact definitions and the exact material that I want, okay? So the first step I'd recommend is I want you to make a copy of this document and pick 5 terms to define and pick 5 themes to address. After that, you've made your copy and everything, you've written everything in, you got all this down. You're going to go to the website, classtools.net, and you're going to create a game. So it's kind of a slow loading site. I do apologize for that. You have a couple different items you can choose to do here. The ones that I would recommend and the ones that I actually am going to require you to use are either the arcade game generator, Pac-Man, or the crossword generator. You can choose to use either of those 3 to work on today, okay? Here's how you make a game. Let's say I want to do the arcade game generator. It'll give you a quiz title. Please title it Review Devlin, for example. And all it asks you to do is input your questions and your answers. For example, all you got to do is separate them with a little star. So one of the terms that I ask you to look up is bankruptcy. So if I wanted to put that on my quiz, in my little review game, all I would have to do is write the question first and then the answer. So a legal declaration that a person or business cannot pay their debts owed is the definition. But the answer, all I have to do is look at my keyboard and hit Shift and 8 to put a star there. And then I would just put bankruptcy as my answer. So I could go ahead and put some more definitions. Remember, you're going to have at least 10 on your assignment in order to create full credit today, okay? Once you have your 10, you can just hit create my games. And then it does ask you for a password if you want, so feel free to do that. And then it takes a second to generate. As it says here, you need at least 10. So I will go ahead and put some more samples in. Notice how I'm still putting that star after each and every one. How many I have here? I'll do 2 more. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8. I have at least 10. So then you just hit OK. And my quiz will load actually in a new website. So if I wanted to play my game, I could just pick the one of my choosing and then play my game. And they're all different, so it's kind of a cool thing to do. So all you have to do after that is go ahead and copy the link. So by clicking on your browser and highlighting your link, go to the assignment for the day, and then you're going to hit View Grade All Submissions, and then you're going to paste it, all right? Once you've done that, you are all done for the day. If you need my help, please let me know.